know a lot of people will come and throw tantrum under my comment section. Now, I will be listing a lot of rich men. Jpac told me their secrets and their dating lifestyles. And these rich men may have done one thing or another to help you. I am not insulting them, rather am I doing it to hurt their businesses. The reason why I'm doing this is just to list names of what Jpac told me. So all of them will be careful when dealing with Jpac. Jpac is not meant to be reveal your secrets to. EMJ put these things for them to be very careful. You may not like the angle I'm coming from, but I know this video will help you, because the things I will say, you personally will sit down inside and ask yourself, so this is true, that what this woman is saying is nothing but the truth. I just want you to be aware of Jpac. He does not have secrets. He's a two-faced person. I will be listing many things. Many secrets will be unfold. You know? So you may have in contact with some of the rich people, or they may have done something good for you. But you coming on platform to throw tantrum is none of my business. The point and the bone of contention in the whole thing is just to create awareness out there, to tell them to be very careful. Don't worry, there are many more that I will list. Things that Gist Lover stated in previous, some of the names, Jpac Agbagomia, some of your musicians, Jpac have told me that. So relax and share the video. You may get angry, but I will list every goddamn thing. Jpac is go two ways. Jpac and Abonike and Jpac and Abonwai. For those of you that will start doubting Jpac, the reason OG low one is just to confuse a lot of people. Jpac is a bendanko hit. Everybody that he told me about, I will list all the information here. And when also Jpac, what I go say everything now, I will be breaking it down with the fact and the truth. No. So you may not like it, or you may come to defend what you know nothing about, but I will say more, and more secrets will be revealed. Many names will get involved. Jpac told me, and I will not change my words. So you may not like the angle I'm coming from. Some people like, don't listen. Okay, if I don't listen, how will I tell you? How will you know the person I'm referring to that Jpac discussed with me? Jpac, already day it brought na phone, and you told me that na man global na ihe na like ikpo na owo mu nwanya ashawo, as anytime ono ga lodge in a hotel gi skibo and other guys na ihe man global ga emewo ikpo nyu unu niile wa ashawo na man global na ihe na like owo mu nwanya ashawo. And when the day ikporomo and you start discussing a lot of big men in a etirimpu, because I will be coming out to tell every story you told me about everyone. And when the day ikporomo my phone, this is the reason why in a like eja ho Seaman Globas. No, nka allegedly, nka exactly what you told me. And when the day it brought my phone, and ya na pugishi yes, ni ja like it, igana nke Seaman Global. No na both wine. No na like ashawo. Now see you're going there right now. Now at least no ga onyegi ofu nwa or nwa abo. And the no ya wa ga apo goya. The way he toro Seaman Global as carry ashawo. The whole apo ashawo. And I will be listing names of ndede timpu igwaraba about them. Jpac, agwaramge. Now everything you told me, Nagama Gwaya the whole world. Have you ever discussed with me that Seaman Global wa baliabaka? Ni hora po ashawo. No hemembo legara nankeya that you enjoy a lot. No drona hotel. No ga shege. Poro ashawo ni nature na yaga po. No ga po about 3 or 4 alabu na bali. Egwaramia ko egwa home. So for those of you that will come under this comment section that to ask me about evidence, my evidence is Nyo Guaramo. evidence, and I'm a for many more rich men. Only three their names. All one after another. I will tell the world exactly what you're made of. That anybody Nelly secret with you is digging his or her early grave. You want to go? And I'm a for more lists. This is just the beginning. Imeperono gwam that Seaman Global nke na-etu aha na no na akpasha wo no wa abali agbaka. Did you tell me that or not? Bekwa bia kpo onye ukwu na okpo. Bekwa bia kpo onye ukwu na okpo ga, and I'm still waiting for your ACTS exam. You told me nigga bia na nye mi kegi examine. Seaman Globals biko gina Jpac no in aponye ya shawo. That was exactly what you told me.